Hello friends, welcome back. Now we'll be doing problems from group um, D. So it has four problems worth 5 marks, and in this type of problems, so it is basically the same type of problems as in group C worth 4 marks. So here in this problem 21, we need to find out why we are choosing one of the particular bank, and the criteria to choose that is the compound interest, right? So we'll need to use the formula for the compound interest, and this problem is basically two problems merged in one. And if you look at this problem carefully, so we have to write we have to give our logic, we have to explain our logic why we are choosing that bank. We are just writing down the answer is not sufficient. Okay, so let's see solution. Let's say for account M means the first case, right? And for account M, the the offer is that semi-annually compounded. Okay, so semi-annually or half yearly, right? So we can write semi-annually compound interest, right, is equal to, let's write down the formula, P 1 plus rate divided by 200 and time raised to the power like this, right? And T is in years. So let's find out. Let's say this one, compound interest for M, right, is equal to, P is how much, 12,500. We are going to deposit 12,500, and 1 plus rate is, for first case, rate is 5 divided by 200, right, semi-annually, so 200, and 2 times 2 for 2 years, that's why multiplied by 2, time is 2. And yeah, so if we do the simplification, so it will be 1297.66. so the compound interest that we get in this account after 2 years is 1297.66. okay, so this is the compound interest. This will be added to our original value, that is 12,500. And let's see for the next account, for account N. Pretty much the same technique here. The compound interest, annually, so they do the compounding annually. So the very basic formula, so we are using this formula, tens of times. So T minus 1 in the formula that we used in problem 1a, or population, when calculating the population, we didn't have this minus 1 because that was compound amount, and here it is compound interest, right? So you have to be very careful in that. So again, put the formula here. We are going to deposit the same amount, 12,500, and for this case we are paid 6%, right? So 6% for 2 years, and if we do the calculation here, it will give us 1545, right? So after 2 years, so we clearly see that we are getting paid for account N, so paid better than account M, right? So we can clearly see the difference, and we have to write the conclusion here. Conclusion: since account N gives, we can calculate this difference. The difference will be 247.34, gives 247.34 rupees more than account M. I will deposit in account. And so this is the conclusion, and we have explained with our logic. So that's it. This is how you get the full marks. All right, great. And this doesn't look so heavy kind of calculation. You just have to be very careful using this formula, where you have to use divide by 200 or raise 2t, and where you have to do -1 in the formula, right? So just be careful on these kind of things, and other things you will do it nicely. I believe in you. So yeah, good luck.